What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for stopping by. So as y'all can tell by the title, today I'm going to be cleaning my master bathroom and bedroom. So if you're interested in that, make sure you continue watching, or you can grab yourself your favorite cleaning products and come and clean with your girl. So first, I'm just going to clear off my half of my countertop, just try to get some things put away, and then I'm going to go to my husband's side and just get that extra stuff put away underneath the cabinet. After I'm done that, I just like to collect all of my towels and go ahead and get those things in the laundry room, as well as get my daughter's toys out of the bathtub. She takes over this bathtub, y'all. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and clean my makeup brushes because I had put on makeup like the day before and I didn't get a chance to clean my brushes. So I just wanted to clean them while I was already in the process of cleaning this bathroom so that I can get them put away. Once I'm done at this point, I'm going to take everything off my half of the countertop, and then I'm going to go ahead and dust my light fixtures as well as clean my mirrors. So if you are a veteran to my cleaning videos, you would know that I do like to work from top to bottom. So especially in my bathrooms, I like to clean from my mirror fixtures on down to my cabinetry. So because my husband and myself have we have our own vanities, so I like to clean mine first, and then I go ahead and move over to his side once I'm done doing my whole vanity.
What it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night, oh, searching after miracles.
Alright, so y'all, at this point, I like to go ahead and dust my window blinds because we have this window over our bathtub. I want to just go ahead and knock whatever is on the blind or windowsill down so that I can get that cleaned out. Then I go ahead and spray my shower, and then after that I go ahead and move on to the bathtub and get that nice and cleaned out. So right now I'm going to go ahead and clean my shower walls. I like to spray it with the bathroom foaming spray, and I get those things wiped down, the little shower caddy that we have in there, as well as the shower walls. And once I'm done that, I just like to go ahead and spray my glass. Sometimes we do have hard water stains on there, so I try to make sure I can get those out first before I go in with the glass cleaner. So you'll see me clean this glass again.
Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night.
So y'all, at this point I'm going to clean my shower floors, and y'all, when I tell you, this floor is a disaster to clean. It gets dirty so fast. is a mess. So if my daughter is not around, I just go ahead and bleach it. And I don't like to use bleach, but sometimes I just don't even feel like messing with the shower floor, so I do scrub it, and I just try to make sure it's clean because sometimes it does tend to collect dirt. Alright y'all, so now it's time to clean my toilet, and I like to clean my toilet from outside in. And if you've watched my last bathroom cleaning video, you would know that I like to clean my toilet by hand. I do switch out my gloves as well as wash my hands after I do this process, but I don't like to have to worry about getting a scrub brush and have to worry about that getting all nasty and gunky, so I just do it by hand and make it easier on myself. Once I'm done that, I like to clean off my doorknobs and my light switch, and then I go ahead and get my broom and my Swiffer and sweep and mop the floor.
How it's night after night, night after night, oh, searching after miracles, oh yeah, night after night, night after night.
Now once my floor is dry, I go ahead and add my bathroom mats back as well as my trash can, and we're going to take it over to the master bedroom. Here I'm just going to go ahead and remove all of my old sheets and get those into the laundry room, and then I'm going to clean off my dresser a little bit as well as dust my blinds. So my daughter has also taken over our bedroom as well. She has all of her toys, balloons, like everything you can name possibly in our room. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those things in her room, and then once I'm done that, I'm going to go ahead and clean my mirror. I do like to wipe down all of my bedroom furniture, so I wipe down all of my dressers as well as my bed. Alright y'all, so now it's time to put the sheets on the bed. And y'all, I love these sheets. They feel so cool. The only thing is, they are slippery. And we always end up fighting over this sheet at the end of the night. It's a mess, but they feel so good, y'all. Okay y'all, so now that I'm done making up my bed, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum out my room now. And y'all, I love vacuum lines. I have to have them on the floor all the time. So I'm gonna continue to make my vacuum art, and I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I will see y'all in my next one.